Crush It, Why Now is the Time to Cash In on Your Passion by Gary Vaynerchuk. Introduction. What if you could turn your passion into a career and make a living by doing what you love every single day? That's exactly what Gary Vaynerchuk, a Belarusian-American entrepreneur, investor, and motivational speaker, teaches us in Crush It, Why Now is the Time to Cash In on Your Passion. In this powerful and action-packed book, Gary lays down a no-excuses roadmap to transform your hobby or interest into a thriving personal brand in today's digital age. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 employee, a teacher, or an entrepreneur, this book teaches you how to build a legacy using your authentic voice and social media platforms like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and blogging. It's not just about making money. It's about doing what you love, building influence, and creating real impact. Let's dive into this game-changing book chapter by chapter. Chapter-wise summary. 1. Passion is everything. Are you ready to make your passion the foundation of your future? Live your passion. What you love to do, that's your business. In this first chapter, Gary emphasizes that the number one ingredient for success in today's world is passion. He argues that passion is the only sustainable fuel for long-term success and personal branding. If you're passionate about cooking, fitness, fashion, finance, or teaching, there's a market waiting for you online. The idea is to stop working for a paycheck and start building a life around what excites you. Gary urges readers to dig deep, identify what truly excites them, and go all in on it using digital platforms. Take Ranveer Allahabadia, Beer Biceps, a passionate fitness lover who started uploading workout videos on YouTube. His authenticity and love for self-improvement helped him build a powerful brand, now running multiple successful businesses. 2. Success is in your DNA. Do you believe that your uniqueness is your biggest advantage? Skills are cheap. Passion is priceless. Gary stresses that we all have something unique to offer. And in the digital world, your personal brand is your fingerprint. He talks about embracing who you truly are and leveraging your personality to connect with your audience. Rather than imitating others, authenticity becomes your superpower. He discusses how your DNA, your natural interests and strengths, determines your niche, and when you align with it, content creation becomes effortless and enjoyable. Bhuvan Bam, with his natural humor and storytelling skills, didn't try to copy anyone. He built BBQ wines by staying true to his unique style, proving that being yourself is your best strategy. 3. Build your personal brand. How powerful is your online presence today? Your personal brand is your reputation, and your reputation in perpetuity is the foundation of your career. This chapter dives into the power of personal branding. Gary highlights that in the digital age, everyone is a media company. Whether you're an artist, baker, or teacher, your name is your brand. He explains how to claim your domain name, use social media, and blog about your passion regularly to establish credibility and authority. Building your personal brand is not optional anymore, it's a necessity. Kusha Kapila, once a fashion editor, built her personal brand on Instagram with relatable humor and fashion content. Today, she's a top influencer and actress with a massive fan base. 4. A whole new world. Are you making the most of the unlimited reach of the internet? The internet is the greatest tool for building brand equity, and it's completely underpriced. Gary explains how the internet has leveled the playing field. You no longer need a huge budget, celebrity status, or media backing to build a following. With platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, anyone can share their voice. He encourages readers to use these free tools to communicate with the world, offering genuine value consistently. Prajakta Kohli, also known as Mostly Sen, started with a simple YouTube channel and became a global voice for youth and empowerment, all because of her internet presence. 5. Create great content. Is your content engaging enough to make people care? Content is king, but context is God. Content is your product in the digital world. Gary stresses that you must produce content that is authentic, helpful, and engaging. He breaks down how to generate ideas, understand your audience, and deliver consistent value. Quality and consistency are both non-negotiable if you want to crush it. Finance with Sharan educates people on finance in simple reels. His content is educational, engaging, and adds real value, earning him trust and visibility. 6. Choose your platform. Are you using the right platform for your personal brand? Pick the platform that best fits your DNA. Different platforms serve different types of content and audiences. Gary advises choosing 1 or 2 platforms that align best with your strengths, be it video, writing, or audio. Whether you're a natural talker, try podcasts, a visual storyteller, Instagram, YouTube, or a writer, blogs. You must go all in where your strengths shine. Ankur Wariku uses LinkedIn and YouTube brilliantly to share career advice and life lessons, matching his speaking and teaching style perfectly with the platform. 7. Keep it real, very real. Are you being authentic or trying to impress? Authenticity is the key to building trust and relationships. This chapter focuses on being brutally honest, raw, and real in your communication. The audience is smart, they can sense fake personas. Gary advises against following trends blindly or trying to be someone you're not. Instead, embrace your flaws, show behind the scenes, and build genuine connections through vulnerability. Tanmay Bhatt openly shared his journey through mental health struggles, wins, and failures, making his personal brand more human and trustworthy. 8. Create a community. Are you building a tribe or just chasing followers? Legacy is greater than currency. Gary discusses the power of community building, turning your followers into loyal fans. He emphasizes replying to comments, acknowledging your audience, and nurturing a space of trust and value. Community matters more than numbers. Relationships are currency in the digital world. Chef Ranveer Bra replies to fans, shares stories, and makes his followers feel like part of a cooking family, building an emotional connection, not just a following. 9. Make the world listen. Do you believe your voice deserves to be heard? It's never been easier to make the world listen to you. So what are you waiting for? In this final chapter, Gary gives a rallying cry to take massive action. The tools are free, the time is now, and there are no excuses left. Start small, learn as you go, stay consistent, and never lose your authenticity. Build, evolve, adapt, and most importantly, never stop believing in your passion. Sandeep Maheshwari, who began with motivational videos in Hindi, turned his belief and passion into a movement followed by millions without any paid promotions. Key takeaways. Passion is your best fuel for long-term success. Your personal brand is your greatest asset. Social media gives you the power to reach the world for free. Authenticity builds trust faster than anything else. Choose the platform that fits your style and strengths. Content plus community is equal to long-lasting influence. Start now, perfection is the enemy of execution.